Wow, what a day. Started off with John Saul's amazing keynote on how bright the 5G future at T-Mobile looks.
I think, as we've all heard about it, AI is really going to be the big next frontier.
We saw so many partner demonstrations in the booth in areas like pedestrian safety, digital twins, private 5G, and cybersecurity announcements galore, T-Mobile's new cloud-based mobile SASE solution. And I was really intrigued by Mike Fitz's presentation on the opportunity for private 5G being now, for expanded capacity and coverage and capability outdoors. Really eye-opening day here at the T-Mobile for Business booth, and I just can't imagine what's in store for tomorrow.